Welcome dear students. Today we will talk about mathematics of class 9th, and now we are going to do exercise 4.3 because we have started this chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. So let's start this chapter and let's start this exercise. Okay, so see the question number 1. Question number 1 says that draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable. So in the question number 1, first question is x plus y, this is equal to 4. Second question is x minus y is equal to 2. And third question is y is equal to 3x. And fourth question is 3, this is equal to 2x plus y. Okay, so these are the sub questions. So in each and every question we have to draw the graph of the line. Okay, graph of the equation. So I am choosing this question for you because this is the toughest one in this. Okay, so let's see this question number 4. I am going to do the solution for this question number 4. We have to draw the line on the graph sheet. You will do this on graph sheet. Okay, so let's see here. This is 3, this is equal to 2x plus 4. This is the equation, this is fourth one. Okay, first what we will do, we will find the two solution of this equation. In the previous class I have told you that how to find the solution of this equation. So for that we will draw a table and for two solution. This is x and this is y, and now we are finding the solution. So let's see what it will happen. If you will take x is equal to 0, then what it will be? This is 3, this is 2 into 0 plus y. So finally y is equal to 3, y equal to 3. So when x is equal to 0, y equal to 3. And now put y is equal to x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Then it will be, this is 3, this is equal to 2 into 1 plus y. Then it will be, this is 3 and 2 1 जा 2, ये 2 इधर आएगा तो -2 एंड इक्वल टू y, तो y इज इक्वल टू 1. तो इस केस में y कितना हो गया? 1. तो जब x 1 है तो y भी कितना है? 1 है. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स. दिस इज 0, 3 एंड दिस इज 1, 1. सो दीज आर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स. ओके, so now what I will do here, we have to plot these point on the graph paper. So let's draw two vertical axis. This is y axis, positive y axis, and this is negative y axis. Okay, on your graph sheet you will draw this, and let's see, it is positive x axis and it is negative x axis. Okay, and this is the origin 0 0. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are the marking on your graph sheet. This is 1 minus, this is 1 plus 1, this is plus side, this is minus side. Okay, so what it will be here, we have to plot the point 0, 3. X is 0 and y is 3. So x will be 0 here. In this line x is 0. So here x is 0, and what is y? Y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. 1 2 3 plus 3, y is equal to 3. So this is the point. This is the point 0, 3. Okay, so this is the point 0, 3. Now we are moving to the next point. This is 1, 1. When x is 1, then y is also 1. So x is 1, y is 1. So this point is here. X भी 1 है और y भी 1 है. So this is the 1 and 1. This is 1 and 1. This point. Okay. So these are the point. 2 point I have drawn, and everyone knows that by using 2 point we can draw only one and one straight line. So one straight line passing through this point will be the equation of this equation. will be the line will represent this equation. Okay, so we will draw a straight line joining these 2 points. So we will draw a straight line joining these 2 points, and this line will represent 3. This is equal to 2x plus y. Okay, so this is the equation of line, and this is how we will draw the equation of line. So hope you are very understood how I am telling you how to draw the graph. In this way you can draw the each and every one's graph in your copy. Okay, so now we are moving to the question number 2. This is about question number 1. We have to draw the graph of the line. Okay, now I am erasing this. Okay, let's see question number 2. Question number 2 says that given the equation of give the equation of two line passing through point 2 and 14. 2, 14. This is the point. How many more such line are there and why? Okay, we have to give the equation of two line which are passing through this point. Okay, and this is a point. Okay, this is a point. What is the location of this point? So if we will talk about the location of this point, we need to draw the coordinate. This is y, positive y, this is negative y, and this is positive x, and this is negative x. And what it will be? It is 0 and 0, and it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 negative में. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 12 13 and it will be 14. Okay, so and so on. So now the 2, 14, where is the point? The 1 2 x axis per 2 and y axis per 14. So the point is somewhere here. This point is here. And see dear student, from one point how many line we can draw? So infinite many line we can draw. From 2 point how many line we can draw? Only one line we can draw. So एक point से how many line we can draw? Infinite line. So here we have to give the two equation, and जो next question पूछा जा रहा है कि how many more such lines are drawn and why? So infinite many line draw, because from one point we can draw infinite many lines. This is the answer. And for the first question, give the equation of two lines passing through 2, 14. So this is the point 2, 14, and this 2, 14 से पास होने वाली कितनी lines हैं? How many lines? Infinite. So let's see here. Here one line is passing. This is this line. One line is this passing through this point, whose equation is x is equal to 2. Okay, and another line is passing this line, whose equation is y is equal to 14. Okay, so from a given point there are two lines which are passing, one is parallel to y axis, which is x is equal to 2, and one is parallel to x axis, which is y equal to 12. Y is equal to 14. Suppose you are given the point 3 and 5. Suppose you are given the point 3 and 5 and you are asked कि इस पॉइंट से पास होती हुई, अभी आपको ये सब ड्रा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अभी ये सब सिर्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड समझने के लिए था. अभी आप लोग ये समझ गए हैं कि देखिए 2 and 14 से तो एक लाइन कौन सी पास हो रही है, x इज इक्वल टू 2 की, एंड एक कौन सी लाइन पास हो रही है, y इक्वल टू 14 की, एंड दिस y इक्वल टू 14 इज पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस एंड x इज इक्वल टू 2 विच इज पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस. एंड नाउ सपोज फॉर दिस पॉइंट, दिस इज अ पॉइंट. अब यहाँ से इनफाइनाइट मैनी लाइन पास हो सकती हैं, लेकिन दो लाइन की इक्वेशन हम ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं. कैसे? देखिए यहाँ पर x इज इक्वल टू 3, ये जो लाइन है दैट इज़ पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस, इसी पॉइंट से जा रही है, एंड एक लाइन है y इज इक्वल टू 5. ओके, सो जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं उनकी वैल्यूज़ अगर हम लिख देते हैं तो x इज इक्वल टू 3 इज़ अ लाइन विच इज़ पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस, एंड y इज इक्वल टू 5 इज़ अ लाइन विच इज़ पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस. So hope you are getting the things how I am telling. Okay, suppose you are having a point -1 and 0, -1 and 0. So give the two lines, equation of two line passing from here. So one line is x is equal to -1 and another line is y is equal to 0. And see, this y is equal to 0 is nothing, x axis. Okay, what is the equation of x axis? Equation of x axis, y is equal to 0, x axis. Okay, and what is equation of y axis? Y axis. तो y axis का equation क्या होगा? y x is equal to 0. So just opposite is there, opposite symbol is there, means y axis का equation क्या होगा? x is equal to 0 and x axis का equation क्या होगा? y is equal to 0. And suppose any line is parallel to y axis, equation of line parallel to y axis, तो x is equal to something, like here this is x is equal to 2, this is the parallel to y axis. अब x is equal to something, कुछ भी आ जाए, suppose x is equal to k, ये कौन सी लाइन रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? x is equal to प्लस माइनस k, ये कौन सी लाइन रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? ये लाइन रिप्रेजेंट करेगा द लाइन पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस. x is equal to प्लस माइनस k, प्लस होगा तो द लाइन विल बी हेयर समवॉट हेयर, कहीं यहाँ 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 से जाएगी, और अगर माइनस होगा तो लाइन यहाँ 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 कहीं से यहाँ से जाएगी. ओके, सिमिलरली अगर सपोज y इज इक्वल टू समथिंग लिखा हुआ है लाइक दिस, y इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस b, तो दिस विल रिप्रेजेंट द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस, पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस, एंड दिस पॉजिटिव विल गो अपवर्ड, हाँ, मीन्स x एक्सिस के ऊपर से जाएगी इन दिस वे. ओके, एंड व्हेन नेगेटिव सिंबल इज देयर देन इट विल बी x एक्सिस के नीचे से जाएगी. So hope you are getting the things how we are doing all these question. Okay, so now we are moving to the third question. Let's see this question third, what it is here. See this question third. Question third says that if any point 3, 4 lies on a graph of following equation, any point 3, 4 lies on graph of equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Okay, then find the value of a, find the value of a. So what it will be here, this point is the lying on the graph of this equation, means it is a solution of. See dear student, जो हमने अभी ऐसे ड्रा किया था, सपोज दिस इज अ लाइन, अब इस लाइन पर जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं तो दीज आर द सलूशन ऑफ दैट इक्वेशन. मतलब इस लाइन पर आने वाले सारे पॉइंट उस इक्वेशन के क्या होते हैं? सलूशन होते हैं. तो मीन्स ये जो पॉइंट है इस लाइन पर है, तो इसका मतलब दिस इज़ द सलूशन. और ये अगर सलूशन है इसका, तो x इक्वल टू 3 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 4 इसमें रख दें तो इट विल सेटिस्फाई, it will satisfy, means LHS is equal to RHS. So now put it, so this is 3 into 4, this is equal to a into 3 plus 7. Now it will be 3 4 ja 12 and this is 7, 7 को इधर लाएंगे तो it will be minus 7, 12 minus 7, this is equal to a into 3. So this 3a is equal to 5 and a is equal to 5 by 3, and this will be the answer. So this is how you will do these question. Now in this question there are few word problems which you have to do, and one word problem, question number 4 I am going to do for you. Question number 4, let's see. Taxi fare in a city as follows. For a first kilometer fare is 8 rupees, for first kilometer the fare is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance is 5 rupees per kilometer. Taking the covered distance as x and total fare be y. Write a linear equation. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, so I am framing the linear equation for it, and certainly you can draw the graph. In the question number first जैसे ग्राफ खींचा था बिल्कुल वैसे ही यहाँ ग्राफ ड्रा करना है. So let's see. In the question everything is suggested. क्या टैक्सी फेयर, टैक्सी फेयर इज, टोटल टैक्सी फेयर इज y, डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इज x किलोमीटर. तो हाउ मच डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड, डिस्टेंस traveled is x kilometer, total fare is y. Okay, so let's see, total fare y is equal to what? First kilometer, for the first kilometer, how much distance it has covered? X kilometer. For first kilometer it is 8 rupees plus for first kilometer. Now how much kilometer left? X minus 1, because 1 kilometer is gone for 8 rupees, and rest all kilometers will be charged at the rate 5 rupees per kilometer. मीन्स पहले 1 किलोमीटर का 8 रुपये लगेगा, और बाकी जो बचे हुए x किलोमीटर में से, तो x किलोमीटर में से 1 घटा दें तो इट विल बी x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर, एंड इस पर कितना चार्ज लगेगा? 5 रुपीज़ का लगेगा. अब ये जितने भी किलोमीटर होंगे मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5. सपोज यू हैव ट्रेवल्ड 2 किलोमीटर, देन फॉर फर्स्ट किलोमीटर इट इज़ 8 रुपीज़, एंड सेकेंड फॉर सेकेंड 5 रुपीज़, तो 8, 5 and 13. Okay, so in this way, suppose you have traveled 4 kilometer, then what it will be? पहले के लिए 8 लगेगा, एंड फिर बाकी बचे हुए 3 किलोमीटर के लिए 3, 5 या 15, so 15 plus 8 it will be 23. So in this way you will calculate. So this is the equation. इसको थोड़ा simplify कर लेते हैं. तो this is y, this is 8 plus एक 5 का multiply करते हैं, this is 5x minus 5. Now इस y को उस तरफ ले चलते हैं, तो देखिए यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? 0, दिस इज इक्वल टू 8 प्लस 5x माइनस 5 एंड माइनस y. अब क्या करते हैं कि इस पूरे चीज़ को इधर लिख लेते हैं और इस 0 को उधर शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. तो क्या इस 0 को यहाँ से उठा के ऐसे यहाँ रख सकते हैं? यस. किस टेक्निक से? जब हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कि a इज इक्वल टू b है तो b इक्वल टू a भी लिख सकते हैं. अभी हमारे पास था क्या? 0 इज इक्वल टू दिस मच, तो दिस मच इज इक्वल टू 0 लिख ही सकते हैं. बिल्कुल वैसे ही जैसे a इज इक्वल टू b होता है तो b इज इक्वल टू तो a हो ही जाएगा ना, होता ही है, रिवर्सिबिलिटी. तो अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या होगा? दिस इज 5x माइनस y, और यहाँ से देखिए क्या हुआ? 8 में से 5 गए तो हाउ मच इट विल बी? इट विल बी प्लस 3, तो इक्वल टू 0, एंड दिस इज द इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल. This is the linear equation in 2 variables. Hope you are getting my point. So in this way you will do each and every question. Okay. Now for this equation you have to draw the graph, and for the graph how you will initiate? To draw the graph how you will do? So graph draw करने के लिए first thing you will take the table and you find 2 solution, at least 2 solution. So find the 2 solution of this equation. Okay, so this is how you will do. So take the 2 solution for value of x and y and do this question. Hope you are getting my point. And so in this way you do all these exercise. Okay, in this word problem there is the thing exactly same. Each and every question is same. So thanks for watching this video. Okay.